Lorraine Cox, I'm actually the Director of Star Procurement, which is a public sector service. So basically we run end-to-end procurement for mainly councils, but we're moving into other sectors. Our core business is around procurement. It's about cashable savings and making sure we're delivering year on year to our customers and making sure we've got a good return on investment. I've been in post almost 3 years now, and I have to say it's moved quite rapidly. What we looked at was the obvious savings and outcomes-based procurement, and what we wanted to do was to move into the social value arena. What we did a number of months, probably going back a good year now, was work with the Greater Manchester authorities to actually look at a sort of a combined solution. We engaged with Guy Battle from the Social Value Portal, and what we looked at was a solution that would fit Star, our ambition, our pace, and we commissioned him very quickly. And we actually started a cold start from April this year. We did a lot of, I would say, schmoozing, I think is our favourite word, talking to officers, senior officers, chief execs, particularly members, and we had to convince them that there was some sort of legwork to be done, that they understood the concept of what the portal would do for us and actually what the ambition was of the project. What we've been able to do as the sort of first 7.5 months have moved through from the starting point is to actually prove and evidence that social value is now being captured. We've seen a massive improvement in terms of local spend, so it's touching a number of bases for us in terms of performance. We contract with Proactis on a greater regional basis, so it actually reaches a number of councils. It's very important that we've got that consistency of having one system for ourselves as officers using it, but equally it helps the business community. We've seen that there's been a lot of investment in actually growing and developing the product, which we didn't get basically in historically, and that's been important to us because our pace is moving and we needed the product to develop. Proactis listened, they understood that we were very keen on the social value portal and we needed the two to interact. So we had a lot of dialogue with Adrian, with a Guy, and actually we're in a position now where basically that process is seamless. A bidder puts their bid on through ProContract and it links directly to the portal.